gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Stew. Today's topic of discussion, my favorite, your favorite, everybody's favorite, including Parliament's favorite, GST. What is GST? How am I concerned? How does it affect me? What's going on? Why are these newspapers all day talking about GST, GST, GST? All the news channels, all reporters, they are all hell-bent on GST. What is GST? Okay. So we will discuss in today's video what is GST and how GST works. So GST, the full form of GST is Goods and Services Tax. It aims to eliminate all indirect taxes in India and replace them with one unified law, ideally. And I would stress on the word ideally, because as we go in details of GST, we find out that GST is little tricky. So what is tricky about GST? Actually, it's not one GST, there are three GSTs. What are you talking about? Yes, there are three GSTs. One is a CGST, another is SGST, and third one is IGST. Yes, you heard me right. What is CGST? CGST is Central Goods and Services Tax, which will kind of subsume or eliminate your excise duty and additional customs duty and CST and stuff like that. What is SGST? SGST is State Goods and Services Tax, which will eliminate your state level taxes like VAT and other local levy, octroi, LBT, local body tax, etc. And the third one, IGST. What is IGST? IGST is nothing but CGST plus SGST. Yes, you heard me right. So IGST is aimed on taxing goods and services when they are transferred from one state to the other. So ideally IGST will replace CST in India. So this is in short about GST. Now you are wondering, where did this law come from? This law GST is not a new law, it is new for us as Indians, but this law was implemented for the first time in France in the year 1954. So it's a very old law. We are getting it new in India. Well, what is the good part about GST? The good part about GST is that instead of having numerous laws, they will get consolidated only into 3 laws. And secondly, a lot of anomalies are now intended to be streamlined with GST coming in force. Yes, I know the question running in your mind is, but what will be the rate of GST? Will it be 8%? Will it be 10%? Will it be 16%? Well, we are not sure at this point in time. It is still being debated in the Parliament. But what we know is that if CGST is 8% and SGST is 8%, it is very sure that the formula says that IGST is equal to CGST plus SGST. Therefore, your IGST will be 16%. So if the base rate is 8%, then the IGST will be 16. If base rate is 10%, IGST is going to be 20. So this is in brief about GST. Stay tuned to our channel and we'll give you more updates on what is going on with GST, what are the benefits of GST, what are the shortcomings of GST, and how entire GST modus operandi will function. We all know that people from non-finance background struggle to manage their finances. They hit the reality when they get their first paycheck, and from then on they are all by themselves to manage their money on their own for lifetime. It's like asking you to fly a plane without any formal training. It's very risky. So our endeavor through our books, our videos and all other mediums is to educate you financially so that you don't outsource managing your own finances to somebody else and suffer because of inefficiencies of other people. Grab your copy today. Finance for Non-Finance. Stay tuned to watch more exciting videos. The upcoming video on black money and the new black money law. We have heard that government is taking some stringent step to curb black money. We have also heard that government plans to discontinue all the currency notes before 2005. What will happen? How will we deal with it? So to know more about GST, how to save tax, CIBIL and financial planning, subscribe to our channel Finance Tube. We love to co-invest with other firms. Find somebody stupider than us. We are investing in your team. In other words, we are with you so long as the times are good. When the times turn bad, we'll throw you out because at the end of the day, nobody is indispensable.